Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we'll talk about the problems and weaknesses of Skoda Kodiaq. The Skoda Kodiaq is the Czech firm's first large SUV and its first step at a 7-seater. For families on a small budget, it might just be the ideal transport, promising Skoda's legendary value for money while delivering the practicality and flexibility needed by many used SUV buyers. There's a good range of petrol and diesel engines on offer that are all shared with other Volkswagen Group models. Most buyers so far have opted for the 148 bhp 2.0-liter diesel, which is gutsy enough to haul around 7 people with little drama and more economical on paper when fitted with the DSG automatic gearbox than it's when specified as a 6-speed manual. For those that need a little extra poke, Skoda offers the Kodiaq with a 188 bhp version of the same 2.0-liter diesel engine called the 2.0 TDI 190. There's some petrol options too, beginning with the entry-level 123 bhp 1.4 TCI 125 petrol engine that actually copes reasonably well in a vehicle this big. But if you intend to drive long distances or frequently travel fully loaded with people and paraphernalia, the 148 bhp 1.4 TSI, the 150 petrol is a better bet. In 2019, the 1.4 engine was replaced by a 1.5 TSI 150 engine with lower emissions that provides similarly eager performance and good economy. The 2.0 TSI is the strongest petrol option, but it's a rare sign on UK roads. Trims start with entry-level S, which is a little sparsely equipped and available with only 5 seats rather than 7. Next up, SE trims makes more sense because it provides dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, automatic lights and wipers, a decent infotainment system and cruise control. The SEL trim above that adds sat nav and adaptive LED headlights, Alcantara seats, keyless entry and start and power tailgate. The upper trims SE Tech and Edition, while fulsomely equipped, are a little pricey on the used car forecourts, are best avoided. The Kodiaq handles well with a surprising amount of agility for something so commodious, and it has plenty of grip. The steering is a little light at higher speed, but this at least makes short work or lower speed urban motoring. It rides well too, although there's a slightly unsettled nature to the car around town. Our potholes and across road imperfections, it's also pleasingly refined regardless of which engine you choose. Wind and road noise are low around town, but can be a touch too much at higher speeds. But it's inside where the Kodiaq starts to flex its muscles. The driving position is excellent with good visibility, and the dashboard and all the surroundings areas are full of soft touch materials and well damped switches, making it a pleasant place to spend time. There's also a logical and easy to use 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system that comes with smartphone mirroring. Space up in front is excellent too, with plenty of room for the tallest of people, while the second row of seats will happily accommodate 3 passengers. The rearmost row has enough space for 2 children that don't require child seats, but adults will only be comfortable for very short journeys. These seats fold away easy for increased boot space, and the boot becomes cavernous with all the rear seats folded down. Boot space with the second row in place is good, even though some of the Kodiaq's larger rivals offer a little more capacity. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.